Today, we're breaking down the top 5 vegetables diabetics should avoid to keep those blood sugar spikes in check. Let's get started. 1. Potatoes. Whether baked, mashed, or fried, potatoes are loaded with carbohydrates that can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Even though they're a veggie favorite, it's best to limit them if you're watching your glucose levels. 2. Corn. Corn is a starchy vegetable that's high in carbohydrates and sugars, which can lead to blood sugar surges. It's sweet, it's tasty, but it's not the best choice for diabetics. 3. Peas. These little green guys might seem innocent, but they pack a punch in the carb department. Peas have a higher glycemic index, meaning they can raise blood sugar levels more than other non-starchy vegetables. 4. Butternut squash. While it's delicious and nutritious, butternut squash is another starchy vegetable that's high in carbohydrates. Enjoy it in moderation, but don't overdo it if you're keeping an eye on your blood sugar. 5. Carrots. This one might surprise you. While carrots are packed with vitamins and fiber, they also contain more natural sugars than most other vegetables. Raw carrots are better, but if you're juicing or cooking them, watch your portions. Remember, it's all about balance. Incorporate these veggies mindfully and always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice.